Imagine this. You wake up. Not to an alarm clock. Not to traffic noise. Not to your landlord texting you about rent. You wake up to the sound of gentle waves. Sunlight slipping through the window above your bed. You stretch your arms, walk 2 steps, and pour yourself a coffee while standing inside a vehicle shorter than most family sedans. But here's the crazy part. You're standing in a full luxury apartment. A real bed. A full bathroom. A kitchen. A lounge. All packed inside something so small you could park it in a regular parking spot. Sounds impossible, right? That's exactly what Laika promised when they announced the new Kosmo L105. They called it the smallest big motorhome in the world. And today, we're going to see if that's just marketing magic or real-life genius. Welcome back to Auto Review Pro. I'm your host, and this is the 2026 Laika Kosmo L105. Let's start with the obvious. This thing is small. Really small. The Kosmo L105 is barely over 5 meters long. That's about 16.5 feet. For comparison, a Toyota Camry is almost 16 feet. So yes, this motorhome is literally the length of a large sedan. But here's where your brain gets confused. Walk around it. Look at the height. Look at the width. Laika stretched every single millimeter. The body is wide. The roof is tall. And the windows are massive. From the outside, it looks like a spaceship that landed gently into the camping world. Smooth white fiberglass curves, dark privacy glass, LED light bars front and rear. And the wheels are stylish alloy rims that don't look like they belong on a camper van. But the real trick is the slide out. Yes! This tiny 5-meter box has a full-width electric slide out on the driver's side. One button, and suddenly a narrow hallway becomes a living room. That's the magic phrase for today: small outside, huge inside. And Laika nailed it! Now step inside. And I promise you, your first word will be, "No way." Because from the driver's seat to the back wall, the layout is so clever it feels like someone played Tetris with luxury furniture and won. Straight ahead you have the lounge. 2 long sofas facing each other. Real upholstery, not thin foam. Real cushioned backrests. And between them, a removable wooden table. Push a button, the slide out extends, and now you have enough floor space to do morning stretches. Seriously, 2 adults can stand side by side without touching shoulders. Now look left. The kitchen. You get a 2-burner induction cooktop. A stainless steel sink with a glass cover. An 80-liter compressor fridge with a separate freezer compartment. And drawers, real soft-close wooden drawers. This isn't camping. This is a studio apartment in Milan. Laika even added overhead lockers with that glossy white finish and ambient LED lighting underneath. At night it glows warm. Feels like a boutique hotel room. And here's the detail I love: every cabinet has a push-to-open mechanism. No handles. Clean. Modern. And very expensive looking. Now let's talk about the place you'll love most after a long drive. The bedroom. Most small motorhomes give you a fold-out bed or a drop-down bed from the ceiling. Not comfortable. Not convenient. Laika said no. You get a fixed island bed. Lengthwise. A real mattress, not a thin cushion. And it's raised high enough that you can store camping chairs, boots, and gear underneath. Above the bed, a skylight so you can stargaze before sleeping. Beside the bed, reading lights with USB ports. And a small closet with a hanging rod. Yes! In 5 meters, you get a walk-around bed. That's engineering respect. Now the bathroom. If you've ever used a wet bath in a van, you know the pain. Shower, toilet, sink all in one wet mess. The Kosmo L105 has a separate shower compartment, a real circular glass door, a Thetford cassette toilet, a wash basin with a mirror and storage, and a window for ventilation. You can shower without soaking the toilet. That's luxury in a small motorhome. Hot water comes from the Truma Combi system. Heated floors are optional but available. Laika thought of everything. Okay, it looks beautiful inside. But how does it drive? Underneath all that luxury is the Fiat Ducato chassis, the latest 2026 version with the 2.2-liter multi-jet diesel engine. 140 horsepower. Automatic transmission. Now, don't expect sports car speed, but for a motorhome, it's smooth. The wheelbase is short, so the turning radius is tiny. You can U-turn on narrow roads where other RVs would panic. And because it's only 5 meters long, reversing cameras are almost optional. You can see the whole vehicle in your mirrors. The driving position is high and commanding, but the seats are car-like comfortable. The dashboard has a large touchscreen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Adaptive cruise control. Lane departure warning. Even blind spot assist. Laika took a commercial van and turned it into a premium SUV experience. Noise insulation is impressive. At highway speeds, you can talk normally without shouting. That's rare in small motorhomes. And fuel economy is about 10 to 12 liters per 100 kilometers. Not bad for a house on wheels. Let's be real. The small luxury motorhome market has big names. Heimer, Westphalia, Naus. So why the Laika Kosmo L105? First, nobody else gives you a fixed island bed at this length. Competitors use pop-tops or Murphy beds. Second, the slide-out system is simpler than Heimer's. One button, fully automatic, with safety sensors. It doesn't leak. It doesn't creak. It just works. Third, Laika uses automotive-grade materials. Soft touch dash. Real wood veneer. Not plastic pretending to be wood. And fourth, price. Fully loaded, it's around 89,000 euros. A similarly sized Westphalia is over 100,000. So Laika wins on value. What do you think? Would you trade a tiny bedroom at home for a rolling apartment? Comment below, small or big. Now, who should buy this? Couples. Solo travelers. City dwellers who hate big RVs. If you want freedom without fear, meaning you want to drive anywhere, park anywhere, fit into any campsite, and still sleep like a king, this is your motorhome. It's not for families with 3 kids. It's not for full-timers who need a washing machine and office desk. But for weekend explorers, digital nomads, or retired couples who want luxury without bulk, the Kosmo L105 is nearly perfect. You can live in this for a month easily. Groceries in that fridge. Hot shower every day. Real bed every night. So, is it the smallest big luxury motorhome of 2026? Yes! Absolutely! Laika proved that size isn't about length. It's about how you use space. Every inch here has a job. Nothing is wasted. And yet nothing feels cramped. You don't buy this to impress your neighbors. You buy it to wake up in places that make you forget what day it is. That's real luxury. If you enjoyed this tour, hit that like button. It helps us bring more reviews like this. Comment below, would you take the Laika Kosmo L105 for a month-long road trip, or do you prefer bigger RVs? Subscribe to Auto Review Pro for more honest, cinematic motorhome reviews. And as always, keep dreaming. Keep driving. We'll see you on the next one.